Hi, it's Thomas from teelaunch. In this quick walkthrough, I'll show you how to connect your TikTok shop to teelaunch, authorize the connection, and get ready to start preparing print-on-demand products for your TikTok shop audience. Before we start, there are a few setup steps you'll need to complete. Make sure your teelaunch warehouses are set up, that you've selected the seller shipping option, and that your shipping template is ready. These steps help make sure your TikTok shop store connects correctly. To begin, log into teelaunch and head to the Stores section. Next, click Add New Store. You'll now see the available store integrations that can be connected to teelaunch. Find TikTok Shop from the list, then click Connect. This will begin the TikTok Shop integration process and redirect you to TikTok Shop Seller Center. Before continuing, check that the store details are correct. You should also review your personal details to make sure everything looks accurate. Once you've checked the information, continue with the installation process. Next, TikTok Shop will ask you to authorize the connection conditions. Take a moment to review the permissions and conditions shown. When you're ready, click Authorize. This gives teelaunch permission to connect with your TikTok Shop store. After authorizing the connection, you'll be redirected back to teelaunch. From here, you can finalize the TikTok Shop connection. Before completing this step, teelaunch will ask you to confirm that you've completed the required TikTok Shop setup steps, including your teelaunch warehouses, seller shipping option, and shipping template. Once confirmed, your TikTok Shop store will appear in your active stores inside teelaunch. And that's it! Your TikTok shop is now connected to teelaunch. From here, you can start preparing print-on-demand products for your TikTok shop audience with teelaunch. Connecting TikTok Shop to teelaunch helps bring more of your print-on-demand workflow into one place, so you can spend less time switching between platforms and more time building your store.